She wearing orange
Smile.
shirt. She wearing red pants.
Smile.
She wearing green sock. She wearing pink sock. He's wearing brown hat. He's wearing
Smile.
red shirt. He wearing orange pants. He's wearing yellow socks. He's wearing blue shoes.
Hat.
Hat.
Finish.
Finish.
Okay, very good. Everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. And okay. Next group, please. Next group. It's okay. Please sit down. Okay. Elizabeth, Alex, Bear. Please go to the front.
Okay.
Yes. So, who colored Jamie? Alex? You color Jamie? Okay, so please start. You start.
What color?
He is wearing
He is wearing hair black.
he's wearing black hair.
Black hair. He is wearing red shirt.
Good.
He is wearing brown hat. He is wearing blue pants. He is wearing yellow socks. He is wearing brown shoes.
Finish? Okay. Elizabeth. You forgot? You forgot how to start? She, girl. Sarah is a girl, so she is wearing
She wearing pink hat. She wearing red shirt. She wearing yellow pants. She wearing brown shoes.
finish? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Say.
Thank you.
Very good. Okay. Next group, please. Natalie, Luke, Bear. Please go to the
Can I
ground.
go to
Oh, can I go to the washroom? What's recorded?
Ah!
It's okay, don't worry. Okay, so who colored Jamie? Who colored Jamie? Colored Jamie? Who colored?
Look.
Luke? You colored Jamie? Okay. You colored Jamie? And you colored Sarah? Okay, so Sarah, you start. Go ahead. Ah, she forgot how to say. Please help her.
She wearing
Good.
red hat. Red hat. She wearing yellow hair. She wearing purple shirt. She wearing sky blue vest.
Good.
Wearing blue socks. She's wearing pink shoes.
Finish? Okay, Jamie next. Nick? Oh, forgot. You forgot how to start.
Wearing
What are you doing? What are you doing, guys? Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat, please.
red
You have
to. You have to listen to the presenter.
Okay. Sorry, Pink.
Brown hair. Red and purple. Hearts. Red heart.
He's wearing blue pants.
He's wearing blue pants. He's wearing socks.
What color of socks? He's wearing
Green socks.
okay.
He's wearing yellow socks.
Finish?
He-
Okay. So say who?
Thank you.